Inserting a thermal image. Select the thermal image. Choose a location on the report and click to insert the image. After inserting the image, you can import thermal data in 2 ways. Method 1. Import via the left panel's Import File function. Click the folder icon. Select the desired thermal data files. All files will display in the grid. Use the search bar for fuzzy file name matching. To the right of the search bar, you'll find view mode options: thumbnail view and large preview view. Select sorting method. Sort by date ascending or date descending. Sort by file name or by modification time. Selective image. Click the plus icon to insert it. Alternatively, drag and drop files directly into the report. Next, we will explain the second import method. Create a thermal image component. With the component selected, open the Image tab in the right side Properties panel. Click Browse to import thermal data. After the image is imported, we can adjust transparency of the inserted image. Page rotation. Watermark overlay. Select all to apply all watermark types. Deselect all or toggle individual watermarks. Watermark scope. Options include overall and only the current page.